Want to bring your software ideas to life? Let's get started. First up, requirements gathering. Identify the problem you're solving and understand your users' needs. Define the scope of your project and list out the key features. Next, project planning. Create a roadmap with milestones and decide on a development methodology like Agile or Waterfall. Outline your software's architecture. On to design and prototyping. Design a user-friendly interface and build simple prototypes to test your ideas. Keep it intuitive. Now for the fun part, coding and development. Choose a programming language and start coding. Don't forget to integrate with other services if needed. Time for testing and debugging. Conduct thorough tests to find and fix bugs. Use real-world feedback to make improvements. Finally, deployment. Release your software and keep an eye on its performance. Regular updates are key. Pro tip: use frameworks and version control to streamline your workflow. And remember, iteration is part of the process. That's it.